become detectives and let's see if we can figure out what's wrong in each of these scenarios. So, number 1, let's see if you can figure out what's going wrong. Pause the video and think. And the second scenario, I wonder if you can figure out what this student here is doing wrong. What might be the danger of turning the gas tap on and then playing with a lighter? And the third one, figure out what's wrong here. So when using a Bunsen burner, we follow a few steps. The first step is safety, making sure we have a clean workspace and we have a lab coat and our goggles on. Not on our lab coat, but on our eyes. And the second step is edge. Make sure your heat-proof mat is placed at a safe distance from the edge so that you don't accidentally drop it if you lean on it. And you also do the same thing with your Bunsen burner. Make sure it's centered. Step 3, the tube. You need to make sure that your tube is working properly. So check on both sides for any breakages, and if there is, then you make sure that you give it to your teacher for a new one. Once you've got a proper tube, you can place them right into each of the holes in the Bunsen burner and the tap, making sure that you put them in very securely so that no gas escapes. Check for an L shape to make sure that it's still off. Step 4, we are going to make sure the air hole is closed. That's open, but we need to make sure it is closed. The next step is lighting up the match or your lighter. And the last step, turn your gas on. And then we're going to pack up. So after we've done our experiment, we turn the air hole off. So we close the air hole, turn the gas off, and we wait. After it's cooled down, we can pack up all of our material and return it to where it's supposed to be.